This is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we're looking at a VDOT apron, concrete driveway with a stone border, stone retaining wall, a lot of drainage, and then flagstone continuing on the walkway to the porch with some thermal flagstones. Let's take a closer look. This VDOT apron is permitted through VDOT to their proper specifications, the CG9D, and again, this is to all permitted specs and approval. The stone border is a nice touch on the concrete driveway. You'll see in a minute here that it carries over to a walkway over there that really ties the stone with the concrete driveway together. Here is a stone retaining wall. Pay special attention to that thermal cap on top. Really nice touch, a 2-inch premium blue thermal. Drainage system behind it for hydrostatic pressure with the proper weep holes. In the driveway, because of the negative slope coming back from the street, we put in an ACO drain. Now this is the fiber cement with galvanized steel drain. This is the high quality one, commercial grade, and will last for a long time. Here's a trash can pad leading to some drainage boxes that tie into the ACO drain, as well as this downspout here and those two downspouts over there. It'll be finished off over there once the porch is done. Now you see on the flagstone that there's still some white haziness. A lot of companies will acid wash right after the project's done. What we do is we just clean it as best as we can with a sponge, and we'll actually come back in a couple weeks once the mortar sets up and give it a good acid wash. But you can still see the color of the stone, and it's beautiful, and it'll just get better with time. Let's pass by the landscaper here and go towards the porch. Look at these thermal stones. So you get an idea of the nice curve on this walkway. We had to elevate it up about 4 or 5 inches because there was a lot of water collecting. Fix that problem. Leading to the front porch, same as the wall. I really always like doing a thermal border the whole way around. It gives a nice consistent edge, a nice thick edge, and it really looks nice with that accent border and then the beautiful variegated flagstone in the center. Another nice detail here is, we do take the concrete thresholds as well and veneer them with stone, and that's a nice touch. So if you have any concrete stonework or any other type of masonry work, whether it's structural, permitted like this with a VDOT, or getting into any sort of carpentry or anything like that, we are a general contractor. We do just about anything, and I hope you see our work's beautiful. We finished this job front to back in a week and a half, which is highly impressive. Close to 1,000 square feet of stone and 33 yards of concrete. 5 semi-trucks of dirt in and out, and materials. It's a big job. We're efficient, we're quick, we're priced right. Give us a chance. We'd love to earn your business. Thanks for watching.